Hey everybody, it is Matty here with Altcoin Buzz with you on this Tuesday. Hope you're doing well and that your week is off to a great start. More drama to cover in the form of Binance and Shapeshift, and now, as per the latest update, Kraken that have delisted Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. Bitcoin SV has been delisted for all the shenanigans that basically the heads of that project have been talking about, and there's all kinds of people coming out of the woodwork with their comments. We'll have a look at what Eric Voorhees has to say. Binance has the official announcement here on Twitter. We'll take a look at exactly what it is they said. As you can imagine, Bitcoin Cash has skyrocketed and Bitcoin SV has plummeted right after the announcement was made. Maybe if you got in early on the action, you were able to make a nice pretty penny. Hopefully you're not FOMOing in at the time that you're hearing this, because this is basically a day-old piece of news at this point. So that's what happened. We'll cover it. We'll look at what OKX has to say about things. We also have some brief news about Tomochain and a new partnership. We're taking a look at Boss Crypto. They've got a very appealing platform and a new incentive for you to go check it out. But let's start here with this piece on crypto.com, where you can buy, sell, and pay with crypto. Here's the update on Twitter. We are happy to share that Enjin, ENJ, has been added to the Crypto.com wallet and card app. Securely buy, sell, store, and send Enjin coin today in our app. And here's the news on crypto.com, blog.crypto.com rather. Crypto.com lists ENJ and welcomes Enjin Coin's 20 million users. Crypto.com becomes the best place to buy, sell, and spend Enjin without any fees or markups. So here it is by way of Hong Kong on April 16th. Crypto.com, the pioneering payments and cryptocurrency platform, announced today that it has listed the Enjin's ENJ coin to its wallet and card app, joining Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Binance Coin, XRP, and its own MCO and CRO tokens. Enjin is the largest online gaming platform with over 250,000 gaming communities and 20 million registered gamers. The Enjin coin is used for the creation and management of virtual goods in the gaming community. So congratulations to both Crypto.com and to Enjin on this new partnership of sorts. You can read more about what Enjin is all about. We've covered it in the past, so chances are you know a little bit about the project, but if you haven't, check out this piece here in the extended bit that we'll link to, and you can also read more about Crypto.com, which was founded in 2016 to accelerate the world's transition to cryptocurrency. Good news all around. Let us know what you think about that in the comments below. On to what is most likely the biggest story of the day here. We have this piece by Anindia breaking: Binance and Shapeshift delist Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. BSV and Kraken might follow. Again, at the time of this recording, Kraken has followed. In a major turn of events, Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, has announced on Twitter that it will delist Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. Shapeshift and Kraken will follow. So the world's largest crypto exchange, of course, Binance, has delisted Bitcoin Satoshi Vision following a warning from CZ to Craig Wright and Calvin Ayre. Now, Shapeshift delists BSV as well, and Kraken might do the same. The event, in a major turn of events, Binance, which is the world's largest crypto exchange, has announced that it will delist Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. So here's the announcement itself. Binance will delist BCH SV, and you can read really the official, this is still the official announcement, but you can read more about it in more detail on support.binance.com. Fellow Binanceans, we periodically review each digital asset we list to ensure that it continues to meet the high level of standard we expect. When a coin or token no longer meets this standard or the industry changes, we conduct a more in-depth review and potentially delist it. We believe this best protects all of our users. So based on the following criteria, this is how they make their decisions as far as delisting. And based on our most recent reviews, we have decided to delist and cease trading on all trading pairs for the following coin on the 22nd of April 2019 at 10 a.m. UTC, and it's the only one that is listed: Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Satoshi's Vision. Harsh. So if you haven't been following the drama, let's hop back now to Anindia's article. The chain of events started when attorneys of Craig Wright, founder of BSV, served legal papers on the individual behind the Twitter account at Hodlonaut. Hodlonaut was protesting against Craig Wright's false claim that he is Satoshi Nakamoto. Hodlonaut had to remove his Twitter handle and go to hibernation. It is to be noted that Hodlonaut initiated the Bitcoin Lightning Torch movement. This was followed by a series of legal actions which included a letter to Peter McCormack, quote, "What Bitcoin Did" podcast host. Such actions were heavily protested by the cryptocurrency community. Influencers like John McAfee, Anthony Pompliano, and CZ joined the movement against Craig Wright. A crowdfunding campaign has been initiated to help @HodloNaut fund a looming legal battle with Craig Wright. And at the time of Anindia's post here, Shapeshift has followed the lead of Binance. Eric Voorhees, CEO of Shapeshift, also confirmed that it will delist BSV in the next 48 hours. Let's go directly to his quote here. "We stand with Binance and CZ's sentiments. We've decided to delist Bitcoin SV, #BSV, from Shapeshift.io within 48 hours. This is a bit of an older tweet from the 15th of April, so that should be in effect by Wednesday. Again, if you want to read more about it, you can check out the full justification here on support.binance.com, but quite a harsh move. And when Binance takes a lead like that, it's no surprise that others will follow. Again, at the time of this recording, Kraken has followed in the footsteps of Binance and Shapeshift. And it probably comes as no surprise, as Luke writes about here, that Bitcoin Cash skyrocketed after Bitcoin SV was delisted after the announcement spread virally. So after Binance announced the delisting of Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, skyrocketed, increasing the BCH price by 15% in just 1 hour. In another episode of #WeAreHodloNaut, Binance today announced the delisting of Bitcoin SV. The price of Bitcoin SV's competitor, Bitcoin Cash, jumped by about 15% shortly after the announcement. So today, shortly after Binance announced the delisting of Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Cash skyrocketed, again, ending up 15% higher in the market. At the time of writing, BCH trades around $320. That's up 14.5% over the last 24 hours. At the time that I'm recording this, it's come back down a little bit, but it's still doing pretty well. People obviously responded quite positively to the news. And at the time of Luke's publication, it should probably also come as no surprise that Bitcoin SV is down about 11% since the announcement was made. I don't know about you guys, but I would not want to be Craig Wright right now. This is a major consequence to all that nonsense that he said, and I'm sure he's regretting it. OKX here is weighing in. Considering that Bitcoin SV, BSV, has been delisted from several exchanges recently, OKX has conducted a rigorous review on BSV in terms of technology, development, liquidity, and compliance. If you want to read their full take on what they've done here, you can check out support.okx.com. And quick news here on Tomochain. Tomo has partnered with Lition. Today, Tomochain announced on Twitter its partnership with Lition. Together, they will cooperate on a Layer 2 scaling solution. Article here from the 15th of April by Robert. Tomochain is a highly secure top public blockchain that offers low latency and near zero transaction fees. Tomo is developing a blockchain infrastructure capable of hosting dApps, which are decentralized applications. In a way, Tomo could be compared to EOS, but it's less centralized. Lition, a SAP partner, will together with Tomochain work on a second layer scaling solution that enables privacy and deletability features when connected to the main chain. Currently, Lition is using Ethereum as mainnet, but is exploring a main chain approach in the future. So the collaboration between the two projects will take place in two primary areas: technical integration, so that's where Lition plans to integrate Tomo as an additional mainnet on Ethereum. The transaction fees can be very expensive. And second primary area is going to be business development. Both teams have a strong enterprise background and are now looking to strengthen both parties. This collaboration is really good for both projects, especially when they work in different marketplaces, Tomo being in Asia and Lition being in Europe. Then you have Dr. Lo Wasser, the co-founder and CEO of Lition, said the following, quote, "This partnership really brings together the best of both worlds: fast transacting execution and finality from Tomochain with data privacy and deletability for legal compliance through Lition. Together, this solution will offer an even better value proposition for commercial use cases, even in those areas that previously suffered from the drawbacks of Ethereum as our main chain." And now in the final piece of today's video, we're looking at bosscrypto.co. We've checked out this platform before. It's a great educational service for people that want to get into the game. And look, a lot of people enter this space all the time. They're not necessarily coming from a finance or a trading background in any sense of the word. And so there's no shame in admitting that, hey, you need to brush up on some of your skills. Maybe it's the terminology, maybe it's the technical analytics, the quantitative stuff. Well, there's an answer for you with Boss Crypto as far as being able to develop the skills that it is is you're looking to hone and polish. So we build winning investors. Boss Crypto is the edge traders and investors use to learn, grow, and drastically improve their returns. We're going to take a quick look at what the website features. We have covered it before, but we're going to sign in and take a look specifically at the modules, what they offer, what this is all about. And then at the very end of this video, in a couple minutes from now, we're going to leave you guys with an opportunity to try out Boss Crypto for free with the sign-up link for all members of the Altcoin Buzz Army that can check this out for free and want to avail themselves of this great service. As you guys can see here, I'm on the dashboard where you can see all of the different courses and modules that I'm enrolled in. So I'm enrolled in Cryptocurrency Essentials and Foundations, Emotions, Plans, Mindset and Success, Technical Analysis, Next Level Setups and Strategies, the Boss Crypto Trading Strategy, and I'm enrolled in the bonus extension. So if we're to go into any one of these, as you can see here, this particular module comprises itself of 6 lessons. So let's click on that. You can see more and open it all up. This is also very community driven, guys. So there's a private Slack group that you can become enrolled in. You can also check out all the course participants that are also partaking and learning alongside with you. You can participate by talking with them, by, of course, exchanging ideas and information. But in this opening module with 6 lessons, here's what you have. What is blockchain, Bitcoin, and altcoins? So kind of, 101, and there's no shame in brushing up on that kind of knowledge, even if perhaps you've forgotten some of the basics, as I may have done in the past. Number 2, you have fiat to Bitcoin, simple, fast, safe, cryptocurrency wallets, cryptocurrency exchanges, cryptocurrency trading 101, and fundamental analysis 101. As you can imagine, of course, as you progress through these courses, they become a little bit more technical, a little bit more challenging. And of course, that's what you want. You want to be challenged and you want to grow as time goes by. As I mentioned, guys, there is a private Slack channel that you can tap into. It's a great resource where you can discuss anything crypto and really get top tips from traders that are using the same platform as you are. Perhaps most importantly, this is a 24/7 support network that is available with Boss Crypto. So not only a crypto investment education platform, but again, I have to emphasize, it is a very strong community. So Altcoin Buzz has partnered up with Boss Crypto to offer you a 30-day free trial. You can check out the link in the description below or type in bosscrypto.co/buzz. And again, if you want to learn more about the world of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and blockchain, go ahead, check out the 30-day free trial. There is nothing to lose. If it's not your thing, that's cool. But if it is your thing, you want to learn more, you want to better yourself in this space, go ahead and click the link in the description below. And that about rounds it out, everybody, for this Tuesday. Do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media and keep checking back into our website, altcoinbuzz.io, for updates. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications. And I wish you luck, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, if you choose to invest. Have a great end of your day. Maybe it's the beginning of your day, depending on where you are in the world. But regardless, have a good one, and we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.